How are you, my man?
I'm good. How are you guys, everybody doing? Today's the day. I'm kind of a little bit nervous. I'm hoping it's a boy. We'll see what happens. If it's a girl, it's still a blessing. Thank God for it no matter what.
Team child.
Team blue.
Bring the child out.
Team blue all the way.
Team blue all the way. Team boy all the way, duh. And you guys better be crossing your fingers and praying for me to have a boy. I want a boy so bad. If it's a girl, it's a blessing. No matter what, it is a blessing. I manifest a boy, so we'll see if we can get a boy. One of my greatest friends, beautiful friends, and then her man, Matt.
And her man.
The sexy man right here.
The sexy man.
I don't know where she got him from. Probably a porn star or movie. She picked him out. Looking good, man.
Of course.
Why? I talked to the dad. He says he wants a boy, so I'm going team boy.
No, it's still team girl.
Cover up my kid.
I'm excited to see who the gender of the baby. I think it's a boy. Savannah, what do you think? A boy or girl? Boy. Boy. Team boy.
Which is third girl.
So what? It's a blessing.
It is a blessing. I got 8 sisters.
Great women come from great men.
But this is a message to everyone. If there's any women out there that want to have girls because all they have is boys, Butch is ready.